Over 60 and feeling weaker than you used to? Struggling to get out of a chair, carry groceries, or keep your balance when you walk? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of seniors experience this every day, and most of them think it's just normal aging. But here's the truth, after 60, your body naturally starts losing muscle, even if you eat healthy and try to stay active. This process is called sarcopenia, and it's one of the biggest reasons people feel tired, weak, and unsteady as they get older. But today, I'm going to show you something powerful. I'm going to share 5 simple morning foods that can actually help rebuild muscle, improve strength, and help you feel younger again, starting with your very next breakfast. You don't need extreme workouts, expensive supplements, or complicated routines. You just need the right fuel at the right time. While you sleep, your body naturally breaks down muscle tissue. That's normal and part of the repair process. But in the morning, your body is in rebuilding mode. It's looking for protein, healthy fats, and key nutrients to repair and strengthen your muscles. If you eat the wrong foods, or skip protein entirely, your muscles continue to shrink. But if you give your body what it needs first thing in the morning, you send a powerful signal: build muscle. Get stronger. And over time, that's exactly what happens. Let's start with the first food, plain Greek yogurt. This is one of the best muscle-building foods for seniors. 1 cup gives you around 20 grams of high-quality protein, and it's rich in leucine, the amino acid that actually turns on muscle growth. Many people eat toast, cereal, or regular yogurt in the morning and wonder why they keep getting weaker. If you simply switch to Greek yogurt, you can start supporting your muscles immediately. Choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt, add a handful of berries and a few nuts, and eat it within 30 minutes of waking up, when your muscles are most receptive to rebuilding. Next, whole eggs. Eggs are nature's perfect protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids in exactly the right balance for muscle repair. And the yolk isn't the enemy, it's actually where the vitamin D and healthy fats are, which help your body use protein more efficiently. Research shows that seniors who eat eggs regularly maintain better strength and mobility. 2 whole eggs in the morning, scrambled, poached, or boiled, can make a real difference over time. Third is avocado. Now, avocados don't build muscle directly, but they make everything else you eat work better. They're loaded with healthy fats, potassium, and antioxidants that reduce muscle inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. They also support hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, which naturally decline with age but are essential for maintaining strength. Adding just half an avocado to your eggs or Greek yogurt helps your body absorb vitamins and protein more effectively, making every bite more powerful. Fourth, lean meats like turkey or chicken. This is premium protein, highly absorbable, rich in leucine, and naturally loaded with creatine, which helps improve muscle strength and power. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make is undereating protein in the morning. That sends your body into muscle breakdown mode for the rest of the day. Adding sliced chicken or turkey to your eggs, or making a simple breakfast bowl with lean meat, avocado, and vegetables can dramatically improve muscle repair and energy levels. Even a small portion can go a long way. And finally, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds are packed with magnesium, zinc, and omega-3s that reduce muscle inflammation and speed up recovery. They also improve blood flow to your muscles, helping nutrients get exactly where they're needed. A small handful mixed into yogurt, sprinkled on eggs, or blended into a smoothie gives your muscles extra support without adding junk calories. So here's the big picture. After 60, your muscles don't disappear because you're too old. They disappear because your body isn't getting the right building blocks, especially in the morning. A simple breakfast like Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, or eggs with avocado and turkey, can completely change how your body ages. You don't need supplements. You don't need extreme workouts. You just need consistency with the right foods. If you're over 60 and serious about staying strong, independent, and active, start with your breakfast tomorrow morning. Small changes, repeated every day, can literally reverse how your body is aging. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to stay strong after 60. I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.